Looking for the best oil filters in 2026 to keep your engine running smoothly and protected? In this video, we review the top 5 best oil filters that deliver outstanding filtration, durability, and performance for your vehicle. Whether you drive daily, tow heavy loads, or want maximum engine life, these oil filters offer excellent value and reliability. Watch till the end to discover the best options from trusted automotive brands for cleaner oil and better engine performance. Number 5. The genuine Toyota oil filter is a simple but highly reliable OEM replacement part designed to keep your Toyota engine running smoothly and efficiently. Built with factory-level standards, this filter is made specifically for Toyota vehicles, ensuring a perfect direct fit without any modifications or guesswork during installation. One of the biggest advantages of this oil filter is that it is a true OEM product from Toyota, meaning it is engineered to match your engine's exact requirements. This helps maintain proper oil flow, improve engine efficiency, and support long-term engine health. It is also recommended for use with Toyota motor oil products, making it a great match for routine maintenance. In terms of build quality, the filter features a durable aluminum construction and a compact design with a 6.4 centimeters outer diameter, making it sturdy yet easy to handle. It is designed as a performance-grade replacement part, offering dependable filtration to help protect your engine from harmful dirt and contaminants. Installation is another strong point. This is a direct-fit oil filter, which makes oil changes quick and hassle-free. Many users appreciate that the gasket comes pre-lubricated, saving time and preventing common installation mistakes. Unlike many aftermarket filters that require manual lubrication, this OEM design reduces the risk of leaks and makes removal easier during the next oil change. User reviews confirm its reliability. One longtime Toyota owner mentioned it fits perfectly even on older models like an '84 Toyota pickup and praised the pre-lubricated gasket that simplifies installation and removal. Another user highlighted that it fits properly, installs easily, and works well for regular maintenance. Overall, the genuine Toyota oil filter is a smart choice for anyone who values factory-quality parts, easy installation, and long-term engine protection. It may be simple, but it delivers exactly what Toyota engines need: consistent performance and peace of mind. Number 4. The Toyota Genuine Oil Filter 90915YZN1 is a true OEM replacement part designed specifically for Toyota and Lexus vehicles, and it delivers exactly what you would expect from a factory-engineered component reliability, perfect fitment, and long-lasting engine protection. If you want to maintain your vehicle the way the manufacturer intended, this oil filter is one of the safest choices you can make. Being a genuine OEM Toyota Lexus filter, it ensures full compatibility with a wide range of models while meeting strict factory specifications. This also helps preserve your vehicle's performance and can be important for keeping your warranty intact. Unlike many aftermarket filters, there's no guesswork here. This is the exact part designed for your engine. One of the strongest points of the 90915 YZN1 is its superior filtration system. It is built to effectively capture harmful dirt, metal particles, and engine contaminants while still maintaining smooth and consistent oil flow. This balance is critical because too much restriction can reduce engine efficiency, while poor filtration can lead to long-term wear. The build quality is also excellent. It features a heavy-duty housing and high-grade filter media, ensuring durability throughout the entire oil change interval. It feels solid and well-made, which is exactly what you expect from an OEM part. Installation is another big advantage. This is a direct replacement filter with standard threading, making oil changes quick and hassle-free, even for DIY users. It often comes pre-lubed and ready to install, which adds extra convenience and reduces the chance of leaks. User feedback is very positive. One buyer mentioned it fits perfectly, comes pre-lubed, and has no leaks, calling it the best choice for Toyota engines. Another user highlighted fast delivery and correct fitting as described. Overall, the Toyota Genuine Oil Filter 90915 YZN1 is a premium, no-compromise option for anyone who wants factory-level engine protection, perfect fitment, and long-term peace of mind. Number 3. The Bosch 3323 Premium Oil Filter is a dependable and affordable choice for drivers who want solid engine protection without spending extra money on overpriced filters. Designed with Bosch's exclusive Filtech filtration technology, this oil filter captures and holds up to 14 grams of dirt and harmful particles, helping keep contaminants from circulating through your engine and causing long-term wear. For anyone serious about maintaining engine health, that's a major advantage. One of the standout features is the silicone anti-drain back valve, which helps ensure clean oil is ready to flow through the engine during startup. This is especially important because many engine components experience the most wear during cold starts. Bosch also includes a metal spiral wound center tube for added durability and internal strength, giving the filter a premium feel compared to many cheaper alternatives. Installation is simple thanks to the high lubricity gasket design, which provides a tight, leak-proof seal while still allowing easy removal during oil changes. The strong steel housing and base plate also help prevent leaks, warping, and poor fitment. Another huge benefit of the Bosch 3323 is its incredibly wide vehicle compatibility. It works with many popular models from Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, Mitsubishi, Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Kia, Mazda, and more. Vehicles like the Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, Pilot, Acura MDX, and Nissan Titan are all supported. User feedback is also very positive. One experienced mechanic mentioned that after working on cars for over 30 years, Bosch filters remain one of the brands he trusts, especially compared to cheaper alternatives. Another user appreciated that the filter performs exactly as expected and proves you don't need to overspend if you maintain your vehicle regularly. Overall, the Bosch 3323 Premium Oil Filter delivers excellent filtration performance, reliable construction, and strong value for money. If you're looking for a trustworthy replacement oil filter that balances quality and affordability, this Bosch filter is definitely worth considering for your next oil change. Number 2. The genuine Honda or Acura engine oil filter set 15400 PLM A02 is a trusted OEM maintenance solution designed specifically for Honda and Acura vehicles. This convenient pack includes 3 genuine oil filters along with crush washers, making it an excellent value for routine oil changes while ensuring factory-level performance and compatibility. Built with high-quality pleated filter paper and durable steel construction, these filters are engineered to provide reliable oil filtration and protect your engine from harmful contaminants. The OEM design ensures proper oil flow, excellent filtration efficiency, and consistent performance that meet Honda and Acura factory specifications. Unlike many aftermarket filters, these genuine Honda filters are specifically tuned to work with the oil pressure and lubrication systems of Honda and Acura engines. The included crush washers are another important benefit, helping create a proper seal during oil changes and reducing the risk of leaks. Installation is straightforward, especially for DIY users who prefer performing their own maintenance at home. User reviews consistently praise the product for its authentic OEM quality, fast shipping, and convenient packaging. Many buyers appreciate receiving individually wrapped filters with the washers included and confirm the correct part numbers upon arrival. Customers also mention confidence in using genuine Honda parts to maintain long-term engine reliability and performance. For Honda and Acura owners who want dependable filtration, factory fitment, and peace of mind during maintenance, the genuine Honda 15400 PLM A02 oil filter set is an excellent choice. It offers the quality and reliability expected from OEM components while providing great value with the included 3-pack and washers. Number 1. If you're searching for a dependable OEM oil filter for your Honda vehicle, the Honda 15400 PLM A02 oil filter case of 5 is definitely worth considering. Built with genuine Honda engineering, these filters are designed to provide excellent oil filtration and long-lasting engine protection. The high-density synthetic blend filter media effectively captures dirt and contaminants, helping your engine maintain cleaner oil and smoother performance over time. One standout feature is the silicone anti-drainback valve, which lasts longer than standard nitrile valves and helps prevent dry starts during cold engine conditions. The metal end caps and reinforced center tube also improve durability and structural integrity, making these filters reliable for regular maintenance intervals. Many Honda owners appreciate the convenience of buying a pack of 5 filters at once. One happy customer using a 2005 Honda Odyssey mentioned that the filters fit perfectly, were easy to install, and provided the confidence of using genuine OEM parts instead of lower-quality aftermarket alternatives. They also praised the value and said they would continue purchasing them for future oil changes. On the downside, some online buyers have warned about counterfeit filters being sold through third-party sellers. One reviewer experienced oil leakage and suspected fake products due to noticeable differences in labeling and construction quality. To avoid problems, it's best to buy from reputable sources. Overall, the Honda 15400 PLM A02 offers trusted OEM quality, strong filtration performance, and great long-term value for Honda owners. Before you go, don't forget that choosing the right oil filter can make a huge difference in your engine's performance, efficiency, and lifespan. We hope our top 5 best oil filters in 2026 help you narrow down the best option for your car or truck. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and automotive buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.